Everyone, welcome to Profit Ada for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to install MySQL database and we will connect with Python. Okay, so in previous of mine, I have done some of the videos especially for connecting your data stream to CSV and other parts of as getting the data and storing them in Excel. Okay, so I have done how you can connect with your MySQL database and can run the process. Okay, so for that reason you can check in profitadaweb.com. So by right side, if you search for ProfitAda, say MySQL, you will get a post. Okay, so it is around 6 years ago. So what happened, I've been done a clear explanation that how you can set the database for algo purpose. Okay, especially some of storing some of the stuff, and I've shown how you can connect with the help of MySQL. And one more thing that you can utilize especially connection with these things. Okay, so you can utilize this post for connection and data streaming and storing the data. Okay, here I have been shown how you can utilize this MySQL.connector as SQL to connect with database and get what you're looking for. Okay, so it is one of the best to communicate with your MySQL. Okay, so do try. Okay, so on this extension, what I'm doing here, I will show a simple stuff on installation. Okay, so MySQL with server, workbench, okay, shell. So what are the required steps are there? So we will try to do an easy installation. Okay, so all you have to do, just search for MySQL. Okay, MySQL. That's it. You say MySQL, you will get the MySQL website. Just go with the MySQL. So this will be the simplest way. Okay, if you just Google it, MySQL, you will get this website. Come to this, just click on downloads. Okay, just scroll a little bit and you will get a MySQL community GPL downloads. Okay, so click on this one and get with you just ignore each and everything and just say click on MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, so after this, say suppose installation will be done. So all of the MySQL installer community, okay, which say suppose what I'm doing for especially I'm doing for the Windows purpose. Okay, so we'll get in this way as a web community and installer community. So you need to do installer community. Now it will be I'm doing for 64-bit. Now 32-bit, 64-bit works for both. Okay, so just download and this package will get downloaded as an installer. You just click on this stuff. What happens, it will ask it will get clicked at first radio button that asking for download of only server. Okay, so instead of that you can choose a custom third one. Just click on that one. Okay, and next it will go for as an ask for execute and install. So if you click on execute, you will get some of the things as asking which are the things you want to install. Okay, so you will get as a MySQL server, MySQL workbench, MySQL shell. These three things are important. With that there will be a documentation will be there, router will be there. So 5 things are there. Just click on each and everything. So if you just click on the plus sign at the end, you will get certain things. So just if you just click on that one, it will show you arrow key at rightwards. Just click on that one and it will shift towards the right one of your the column, the space. And after when everything is came into this part, just go with execute and just proceed with the execute next. Okay, so simplest stuff all you have to do. Okay, and the next thing you have to do is you have to set the environment variables. Okay, so edit system environment variable. So if you just click on this one, you need to set the path. Okay, so how you can get the path, I'll just show you. So just get on this environment variables, click on path. So you know this stuff. Okay, I have shown already. So how you can do this, so just click on this edit and here my SQL server is there. Okay, it is very much simple to search. It will be available in your program files. Okay, so in program files MySQL will be there, so just click on that one. Simple, come with this stuff. Okay, and your router, server, each and everything will be there. You just require server and bin. Okay, so just completely copy this path and set in your environment variables and you are good to go. Okay, so while launching, before launching, you have to do this stuff. And one more, I think redistributable package is required. Okay, so for that stuff also it will ask for the installation, so that is needs to be done while installation itself. Okay, so you will ask each and everything, just do it, and before launch just set these things and just say click OK. Okay, so after that also if you do it, that will be best. So two things you will get launched, that is MySQL workbench with, and you will get the server as well. Okay, so if I search for MySQL, I will get as a MySQL shell and MySQL workbench. Okay, so this workbench suppose I've required, so this is, I mean, especially this workbench will be like, you know, whatever the things you want to add or want to perform any kind of a operations. Okay, this workbench will be helpful. Okay, so you can utilize this stuff. Okay, you can set the user and password as a root. Okay, I have done for root, so you just need to set the MySQL password and reset password, I mean the same repeat password. Okay, so just give it root and it will be work the best. So this is the SQL workbench. So if you just click on this one, what happens, it will give you each and everything, okay, as required. So my password is root, simple. Okay, so this is means especially what happens for every like, you know, GUI. So in this what happens, you can add your query, add your files, okay, CSV files, and can perform the operations. Okay, especially data science stuff. Okay, say create, insert, update, delete, okay, modify, okay, truncate. So all of the things you can perform. So this is the things will be there which you can check it out. Now it is very much simple. You just give it each and everything from CMD itself. Okay, all you have to do is you have to give MySQL -u root -p. If you say root -p, it asks for the password. You say root and click this one. Okay, so it is very much simple that I have been connected. Okay, so these are, so here we will create a database. Okay, database test, and say suppose if I check the databases, what are the databases are there, so it will definitely gonna show the test. Okay, here, and say suppose if I want to use the test, so it will be there. And if you want to create certain things, say table, ticks, and if I want to add as a timestamp, date, timestamp, and last price as double, so this will be there. So simple as that. Okay, so you can call, then if you finish this stuff, the ticks will get added. Okay, so this is how the ticks will be there. If I ask for, like, you know, describe ticks, so this is how it will be done. So now if I want to do it this in Python, okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so before proceeding to this stuff, you require some installation, okay, which you can do it from CMD. I mean, the previous MySQL dash connector was required an update. Okay, so this is need to be followed, which will be MySQL dash connector dash Python. Okay, so this is you need to do. So if you just click on this one, each and everything will get installed. Okay, and after this what happens, it will be easy to get connect. Okay, so I'll just show you the database connection, okay, that we have connected with the MySQL or not. To perform the operation, it is up to you. So from this you can create the database, okay, update, delete, so whatever you want to perform you can do it. So import MySQL dot connector as SQL. Okay, and all you have to say db equals SQL dot connect, and all you have to add here as whatever you want to say as a local host. Okay, so that will be like string, so whatever the performance or any kind of a like coding you need to do, so it should be this way. So user equals root and my password same root. Okay, so that's it, we are done here. And I just check with one of my stuff, that is if db dot is underscore connected. Okay, if it is connected, if my if statement is true, then I must say db connected. Okay, so if we have done perfectly, we will get each and everything. So just control B. Okay, so it is finished and it is said db connected. Okay, so try this stuff. Okay, and it is the best. So it is one of the simplest which you can try. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. And for this type of learning videos, please do subscribe and like this video and do share with your friends. Thank you.